Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi for Princeton Trader with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. Let's talk about a couple things. And kind of the moral of this whole discussion is going to be today is not the day to be making any big bets, either on the bullish or the bearish side, because we're really in no man's land. You can see that we have punched the lower Bollinger Band, and I'm going to give you the bull case, I'm going to give you the bear case. All right, here's your bull case. We've punched the lower Bollinger Band 2 days in a row, and the 50-day exponential moving average is coming in here as support. Okay, both very valid arguments. So if you're a bull, you are looking for a move up to the middle band, 1507, 1508. That's fine. The problem is you can't seem to get through 1497. That was our quadruple pivot area that we discussed yesterday, 1497 to 1499. The proprietary lower level that we do for subscribers came in yesterday at 1499 quarter. So you kind of had this two-handle zone there, but it bumped up on the bottom of that zone 2 times. Just did it again at about 8 a.m. Eastern time. And we keep coming back down. So there's definitely a lot sitting up there at 1497 to 1499, and we're going to have to see how the bulls can deal with that, if they can deal with it. And my argument would be if they can break through it and get to the middle band, that would be an area of exhaustion. That's an area where a lot of people are going to want to put longer term shorts back on. Okay? And I would be in that camp. Now, all of this sets aside any potential for news, but we've got a couple of good down days. We did the 1530, we did the lower high here, but there's going to be a little bit of a relief rally when you come down and punch the lower Bollinger Band like this 2 days in a row. We did a low yesterday of 82.75. The low the day before was 81.75. So technically those are higher lows. If you're a bull, you don't want to give up the 1490 level today because that will yield 88. 88 will yield 83. And then we're back in a situation where this 50-day exponential moving average has got to hold. Okay? So I think the bulls maybe have a little bit of room to run today, but I think that this is a market where all rallies are really going to be sold, and you saw that yesterday, and I think we would continue to see that today. Your ideal bear case would be a move up to 1508 and be able to sell a rally somewhere in that zone and work that back down to new lows below 1480. So those are some of the things that I'm looking at today. But you know, if you want to be a longer term bull, you needed to buy down at 1481, 1482. If you're a longer term bear, you got to wait to see how this plays out and try to get back in up at the middle Bollinger Band. Right now we're trading 1493, and that is neither. So with respect to the pivots today, you've got double pivots, 9-day and 20-day, up at 1501.75. The daily and 3-day have split off from each other. The 3-day is sitting under that double pivot area at 1499.92, so basically 1500. So 1500 to 1501.75 is a triple pivot zone. And that is most definitely going to stand in the bull's way today on any rally. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi for PrincetonTrader.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.